Hi, welcome back. It's day 5 of my 31 days of posting videos on YouTube to kick off my new YouTube channel all about decluttering and organizing. I'm Jess Marcy, a professional organizer located in upstate New York, and my method of decluttering and organizing is called Prioritize Your Sanity. When I work with clients and I teach them the Prioritize Your Sanity method, there are 3 basic foundational principles that I discuss with my clients to guide them through the entire process of decluttering and organizing, and then maintaining that organization for good, so you never have to get back to feeling overwhelmed again. So the first two foundational principles I already made videos on, and I'll link to them below. The first one was to organize by category. The second is to live within the storage space that you have comfortably. And the third organizing or decluttering, organizing foundational principle that I have, which brings everything together, is called flow. So it's kind of a funny name, and I did that intentionally because I want it to stay in your mind. I want you to think about it. And it also perfectly expresses exactly the concept that I'm trying to get across. So the concept of flow when it comes to decluttering and organizing is this: the amount of stuff that you have flowing into your house every day may not exceed the amount of stuff that you have flowing out of your house every day. So picture yourself driving home. You get home, you look on your doorstep, and there are your boxes from your Amazon delivery today. That is the volume of stuff that you are bringing into your house. That's the volume that is flowing into your house in just one day. To maintain a decluttered and organized space, you need to have that volume of stuff leaving your house also in the same time period. So you need to always have flow. You need to have stuff, if you have stuff flowing in, which we all do, we need to have stuff flowing out so that we can continue to live comfortably within the space that we have. So that's like the basic 3 guiding principles. So we want to have live within your space. So only have as much as fits within the storage space that you have in your house. You want to organize everything that you have by category, so you know exactly how many flower vases you have at any given time. And you want to maintain flow. If you have stuff coming in, you want to have stuff going out. If you have a new hobby that you're interested in, then you need to make space for that new hobby and the stuff that comes with it, and you need to let something go. If you take the concept of flow up one notch, it really can apply to like your broader life. And that's like with the new hobbies and stuff like that. If you have a new hobby, if you have a new interest, if you have something that's the next version of you, right? If you are growing and maturing and stuff is coming into your life, the only way to allow that to flow in is to make sure that you have space, both physically and emotionally, to let go of some of the old you. So flow can really apply not only to our physical possessions, but to our emotional space and our emotional clutter also. So those are the 3 concepts that can help you maintain a decluttered and organized space and help you to prioritize your sanity, so you're not spending hours and hours every year just looking for stuff, because our lives are too important to waste dealing with all of the little knickknacks in our life. So prioritize your sanity, embrace those 3 concepts, subscribe to my channel because I'm doing 31 videos every day this month. You're going to get a video. It's going to really make you think and really change some of your habits and your perceptions, and help you get to that next point, the next level, the future, the next you, or the current you. Help you embrace who you are today, because we know that clutter is so much more than just physical. So thanks for watching, and check back tomorrow. Bye guys.